If you're in the transportation industry, this is one topic you can't afford to ignore: DOT truck registration. Whether you're a seasoned truck driver or just starting out, understanding this process is key to keeping your wheels on the road and your business running smoothly. First off, what exactly is DOT truck registration? Simply put, it's a mandatory requirement for commercial vehicles operating across state lines in the United States. If you're planning to haul cargo or passengers, you'll need this registration to stay compliant with federal regulations. Now you might be wondering why it's so important. Well, having a DOT registration ensures that your vehicle meets safety standards and is properly insured. This helps protect not only you and your business, but also the public and the environment. It's all about maintaining a safe and efficient transportation system. So, how do you get started with DOT truck registration? The process can be a bit complex. It involves filling out specific forms and providing detailed information about your business and vehicles. This can be daunting, especially if you're handling it all on your own. But don't worry, help is available. FMCSA registration.com is here to simplify this process for you. As the leading online service provider for the transportation industry, we help motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers like you navigate the requirements with ease. When you register, you'll receive a unique DOT number. This number is like your vehicle's ID card, used to track safety records, compliance, and more. It's crucial to keep this number up to date and visible on your trucks. Now, let's talk about the costs involved. There are fees associated with the registration process, and these can vary based on the size of your fleet and the nature of your operations. It's important to budget for these expenses to avoid any surprises down the road. It's also worth mentioning that DOT truck registration isn't a one-time deal. You'll need to renew it periodically and update any changes in your operations or fleet. Staying on top of these updates is essential to avoid penalties and keep your business running smoothly. For those who find this overwhelming, FMCSA registration.com is your go-to resource. We offer expert assistance to ensure your registration is handled correctly and efficiently. With our help, you can focus on what you do best, keeping your trucks on the road and your business thriving. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to FMCSA registration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for watching and drive safe.